How to create a Rednote account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create Rednote account. With the latest ban of TikTok in US, Rednote has been in trend right now. So a lot of people are shifting to Rednote. So this is how you can create a Rednote account. The first thing you'll need to do is download the app. You can easily download the app from your app store. Simply search for Rednote in your app store or Google Play Store and simply download this app right here. After you download the app, open it up, and here you should see the WeChat option. You can simply log in using your WeChat. If you do not have a WeChat, you should see other login methods right below here. Tap on it and there you will find two different methods. Now the first one is by logging in with your phone number and the other one is by logging in using your Apple ID. For this video, I'll just log in using my Apple ID. Now you'll also need to accept to the terms and conditions. Tap on it and then tap on sign in. After you've done that, you will need to choose your gender. Simply choose your gender, choose your age. You can simply swipe here to find your age. Tap on next. And then all you now need to do is select your interest. Now this will be the last settings that you'll need to go through. So simply choose your taste, your interest, whatever you want, and then tap on start exploring. After you've done that, you will have created your Rednote account, and it's basically that simple. And yeah, that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.